You know, I still don't get why the U.S. is so dependent on oil.
We
You know,
are.
it's like we haven't learned anything from the gas wars of the 1970s, you know.
Yeah, you
That's
don't
just
realize
me.
what you have though until it's gone. So, but you
Yeah.
think you'd look at history there and how that
you would
treated
think.
us.
Well, let's take a look at a couple special events coming up this week. One is the change of seasons. The autumnal equinox. Fall begins Thursday morning at 8:21 in the morning. And the other big event, BSU at Oregon State. Big game in Corvallis. A lot of people probably taking a road trip across Oregon. I think the weather will probably be okay. You might run into a little bit of rain, but as far as any snow or anything like that, no problems there. Just maybe a light sprinkle. For the game, the actual game will be in the 70s, lower 70s, and mostly cloudy skies. Only a slight chance of some rain. Won't be much of a factor, I don't think, except for maybe a wet ball, but there's a real good chance they won't see anything at all and just some clouds, which is typical for Corvallis, and light winds out of the south at just 5, so that won't be much of a factor in the game. Starts at 1:30. It's an afternoon game for a change, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, nice.
All right, here's our weather headlines. We're looking at warm 2 more days, a big cool down coming our way on Wednesday, unsettled late in the week, and a nice weekend shaping up. Radar, about the only precip showing up, eastern Idaho, and that has even moved out in the early morning hours, and pretty much dry all across southwestern Idaho now. And definitely clear skies here in Boise and the southwestern portion of the state. We're at 54 degrees, winds are light at just 5 miles per hour. Humidity quite high at 77%. And we're at 38 in McCall. That's one of the cooler spots. In fact, I don't see, well, Burns has made it into the 30s, just barely at 39. For this Monday, September the 19th, we're forecasting a high and a low 4 degrees above normal for this time of the year. And satellite map. Here's our water vapor chart. We have a low pressure system right there. That will be the player in our weather later in the week. Right now we have a west to east jet stream flow, but this will be coming more from the southwest as this low sinks to the south and starts affecting us. And you'll start to see that on our futurecast coming up. Just a few high thin clouds across southwestern Idaho this morning. Now here's the big picture. There's that low and it moves down along the northwest coast. We'll have a frontal system kind of stall out across the central portion of the state with some clouds, but the deeper moisture starts to move in as we head into Wednesday. There's Wednesday right around 8 o'clock. Our best chance of seeing some showers Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Here's a little closer look. As far as today, just a few high thin clouds. And for Wednesday morning, looks like our latest computer model run just in has it backing off on the cloud cover a little bit on Wednesday morning, but we'll start to see a little bit more cloud cover by then. Certainly some cloud cover by Wednesday afternoon, and some showers start to move into the area. And the possibility of a passing shower Wednesday evening, the deeper moisture just to the southeast of Boise. And then some rain showers moving on through. There's 1 o'clock in the morning on Thursday. So Wednesday night into Thursday, our best chance of seeing some rain. So pretty dry for today on into Tuesday. But as we head into Wednesday, that's when we start to see some rain creeping into the picture. And it looks like this latest computer model run just in this hour, looks like it's backed off on the precip for Boise, but some locations could see some measurable precip by Thursday morning. Here's our regional forecast. Mostly sunny skies, Twin Falls high about 80 degrees. For Sun Valley high of 70, mostly sunny skies. For McCall and Cascade, some areas of patchy fog this morning, otherwise sunny. Sunny for the western and the valley, your highs in the lower 80s. And lower 80s to around 80 degrees for Canyon County, and sunny for Boise, a high of 81 and mostly sunny skies. Here's our extended forecast. 2 more warm days with highs in the 80s and a big cool down on Wednesday. That's when we start to see the possibly some unsettled weather, mainly favoring Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Also, the winds will be picking up, and the temperature on the cool side looks like Thursday and Friday are coolest day. Temperature rebounds a bit. Looks like the weekend looking pretty good. Temperatures just a tad on the cool side with mostly sunny skies, but looks pretty pleasant. That's a look at weather.